a squared plus 4a under 3a, that's positive, and 12 minus plus 12 plus 7a, a squared. We have c squared plus 8c under negative 3c negative 24. Negative 24. This is a subtraction problem because the symbols are different. So we're going to subtract. 8 take away 3 is 5. The sign of the larger numeral is positive, and throw your label on it. C squared. Next, y squared times y squared is equal to y to the 4th. Y squared plus 4y is a negative. This is a negative and a positive, so we're going to have a negative value. This would be negative 4y cubed. 1, 2, and 3 y's are there. Under negative 6y times y squared. Whenever we see just a plain letter, it means 1. So 6 times 1 is a negative 6. Y, 1, 2, 3 of them. Cubed. Negative times a negative is a positive. 6 times 4 is 24. And we have 2 y's there, so it's y squared. Positive 24y squared. Negative and a negative when we're going to add the numbers. So this is 10. The sign of the bigger numeral, negative, and the label y cubed. This one just drops into position. So when we're done, this is in order. The exponents are in order of descending order. So we have to the 4th, to the 3rd, to the 2nd power. Easily because we kept our lines, our columns straight. And the last one, we have x times x is x squared. X times 5, negative 5 is a negative 5x. Done with this one. Under 1 times x is a positive x. And a positive and a negative is negative. 1 times 5 is negative 5. Negative 5. This is a 1, remember. Positive and a negative. We're going to need to subtract the numbers. 5 take away 1 is 4. The bigger numeral is 5. Negative, I'm copying the sign, x. And then just drop this one into position. Multiplying binomials. Give this a try if you'd like. I think you'll be faster with it, and there'll be less confusion when the exponents get crazy, and there's all kinds of different ones. Plus, you're thinking of multiplication with your rules for positive and negative. You're going to have to keep your columns in order so you can put like terms together, and sometimes the like terms are have opposite signs, so then you have to keep your information about positive and negative when you add and subtract. So there's a lot going on in a simple problem like this. So the more standard you can keep your calculation, and the neater that you can keep your columns, the faster it's going to be, and you're less likely to make the human errors that we all make.